Hey everyone, are you planning to downgrade iOS on any iPhone device without losing any data, either it is unsigned or signed? As we know that sometimes deliberately or by mistakenly also you have updated with the beta version iOS on your iPhones. Now you would like to switch back or roll back or downgrade without losing data. How do you do that? We will see live. We will check it out. Also, especially if the manual is not recommending your iPhones to a downgrade, then what's the alternative approach that we will have to here access to easily we can without losing any data downgrade. So tap on a setting guys here. In setting especially we will have to come on a here. Let's see. We will come on a especially general. In general too, of course, we will have option that is a software update. So tap on it and we can see here it has started to check it out and it thinks that we are unable to especially up to date. We are unable to especially downgrade. Because of that we are up to date. So what's kind of the steps we will have to execute or access to downgrade it. Sometimes also it's very essential guys when we are planning to the bypass or the remove permanently cloud activation lock links from any iPhone device with the help of jailbreak method. So jailbreak method demands of course downgraded iOS. So here what we will do here, yes, we will click on a go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, connect your data cable, and upon of course we will tap on a smart flash too. We will come in a firmware and we can see here if we select the model number, let's see, we will tap here model number. So let's come on a here. As we can see here is not the given especially actuals that so you can here just let me have this one's yeah, see, downgraded version of especially if the C of this here is not the recommending of the particular this device. So what we will do here, just we will click on a smart options and especially a smart 2 we will come on easy to refresh here. So when we refresh guys, then see a lot of the beta version that the cam here. What we will do here now, let me now here we can see the one is especially 26.2.1 hours, one is especially 26.2 and here is a 26.3. So of course 1 point so we can here, and here the 26.3 beta version and 26.32 beta version. So how I especially downgraded. Yes, and this can be possible guys, and don't worry, we will come on especially in the firmware, and in the firmware one thing here I decided to tell you here guys, these all are signed versions that you would like to from say 26.22, so 26.3 to 26.2 or 26.1 iOS that directly you can access by downloading here. And so without losing in data, if you would like to the access, and then of course here is a here see retain user data that we will have to pick it. Don't select the quick flash mode, otherwise you are going to lose your data. Anti-recovery flash, of course you are going to lose your data, and here fixed flash and there is going to lose your data. So here we will have to select the retain user data, and upon here according to your the choice, just we will come this 26.2, just we will start to download, or directly you can import it also. But unsigned iOS, see here unsigned iOS, let's see how I just we will click on this firmware. In the firmware, before the coming on the firmware we will have to come now, yes, click to especially stop latest updated version. So now it has been especially came the profile and it has the blocked. Now what we will do guys here, just simply we will click on this and yes, we will come the smart flash to especially here, and now see this is especially the firmware that is especially I'm declaring. Let's see, we will tap on it and of course here we will refresh. So now that we can see here, yes, we will select the here, let me now see a lot of the firmware that is coming here. Yes, now that we can see 18.5, 18.6, So these all are coming here. So any iOS according to your own desire. So we will have to pick the model and the phone of course here. After picking the model of course here, just we will come this. Let me. Now here we can see iOS is here 26 point sorry 18 points especially 6 and 8 points so these all are especially both is especially now that we can see this is 26.2 26.2 the green color. So these all are here from here to here. These are signed version, but when we planning to have the jailbreak, so there is no option is coming. But when we come the advanced, no, we will click on the firmware and the select the especially here according to your own choice. So jailbreak options now here is the coming latest ones. Let me come here. See 26 points, sorry 16.5.1. So we would like to jailbreak of this device. So how would I do that? Simply we will go for a start to a download. So it has started to a download now. This is an unsigned version, guys, that we are planning to complete that. So it has started to download, but total size is approximately, as we know that here, 6 GB. So 10 minutes it's planning to access. So let's wait here. Now it's see it started to downloads. But still, let's have the demo, guys. It will take a much more time, so because internet speed is not quite good here. Now see, it's downloading. On the other hand, let me minimize. Now how do you do that? We will come on especially a smart flash to the easy to here. We will have to select the menu options too. Without verification, we can the bypass of the so here I will select the especially 16.5.7 or this here. Let me. So now see it has started to 16.7.12 iOS and it has successfully imported. But without losing in data, if you would like to the console, then of course we will select retain user data, guys, and of course we will select this one. So now it's asking so that do you wanna especially the company especially 26.3 to 26 point is so 26.3 to 16.7.12 iOS, yes. So we will hit this one without backups and without especially. If you would like to go for the backups, no problem at all. So you can otherwise directly hit this one, and when you will hit, then it will start to come with especially this 16.7.7. So right now it's downloading. We will come with the especially new firmware that is especially downloading. Almost it has been downloaded, but similar strategy you can apply, guys. By one click you will be able to the from 26.2 sorry 26.3 to here. So thank you for staying, guys. It will take much more time to the complete download because internet speed is not quite good here. So to apply this strategy, any confusion and the query and any error comes, then of course there is the query in the comment box. Please be must. But one thing more, especially unsigned iOS will not be taken here. Just we will have to go for especially yes, clicks this to install the proper way, and of course it will be a yes. So do apply similar strategy, and any query confusions, and then you will have to drop the query in the comments box. Please be must to the reply your query, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.